Hi guys, you remember that girl like from yesterday? She's my friend, and I really want to get the YouTube play button. I want to get to 10k subscribers. I live in South Africa. I know some of you guys may think I'm crazy or stuff like that. Oh no, you don't need to like or subscribe or comment or say. I'm not forcing you guys. You can just like my video if you don't like it. I know I'm very poor. I have small content and stuff like that. My phone screen is broken, like there's like many like cracks in it. My lighting is not always good. Okay, sorry for that. Yeah, I cannot make like a long full video like the royalty family in Veron. Yeah, I really want to become like a YouTuber like the royalty family in my, because one of the royalty family is Veron in I live in South Africa, and my street name is Langham, street number 8 I live at. Yeah, I love her. I love the royalty family content. It's because of them. That's why I became that is it's because of the royalty family. I made my own YouTube channel back in 2025. Like my phone was like locked down, so I couldn't make any more content. But I did apologize for ghosting so long. But yeah, I love the royalty family. They make cool videos. I watched their video in after the family where the wolf came into the like into the backyard and that thingy, and I love the content. And I also love Johnny. If you don't know Johnny, yeah, peace. And it's because of the royalty family.